Here we are at my old abandoned house. Let's see if we can find some scratch materials we can use. Let's go. Can we use it, dog? I think we can use it. There are four springs. Scrap plane sheet with about 5 mm in thickness. I think we can use it also. I will be back for you. This is my old abandoned house. Some sort of storage. Let's see if we can find something more. We have here an LPG tank. I think we can use it also. Bye bye, doggy. Bye bye. So we found four springs, plain sheet with about 5 mm in thickness, and an LPG tank. So maybe we can find some ideas and have a research on it. So let's go on. After 3 days of research, we found out that all those scrap materials can be used as ball milling machine for scrap bottle glasses. Here is the perspective view of the design. The chamber uses the LPG tank and vibration control the springs. And here is the animation, the predicted animation of the machine on how the machine will work. Here are the materials needed. As you can see, the LPG tank is replaced because the LPG tank we have found earlier is damaged. So we replaced it and gather some materials like pulleys, bearings, and especially the motor. Right now, we will do the fabrication and build the machine. Let's do this. Let's see if the rotation will work. I think it's rolling, and we're going to find out more if this really works. And let's have some finger heart to that. Since the machine has a vibration, we built an idler to reduce the vibration coming down to the motor and refrain from damage. So let's test it if the machine really works. The pulley seems quite well. The machines are working properly, but we can do some adjustments and modifications. Maybe we can put some guards so the operator will be safe. That's the important thing. And let's paint it. Let's make it beautiful. And let's do some finishing touches. One thing, this machine uses scrap bottle glasses to recycle and turn into powder and recycle it to more outputs. Let's start and find how beautiful it is. So this is the final output of the machine, and now as you can see, it's amazing. You can turn scrap into more useful, and you can do whatever you want by just researching and have some ideas and design it, explore and adventure. All you have to do is research and have some knowledge by, for example, watching YouTube, searching in Google, and gain some knowledge about how to recycle things. I think that would be all. Thank you for watching and listening. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have learned something useful. I am Tonyo, and this is my experience number 1. See you in the next video.